Augmentt allows you to use conditional access policy templates that can be assigned to multiple customers. This way, you don't have to create conditional access policies in each of your customer tenants. To deploy a conditional access policy template in Augmentt, navigate to Secure, Policy Management, and then Policies. Click Deploy Policy in the top right corner, and then select the template you wish to use. You can edit the policy name and description, and then fill out the required inputs and grant controls. Once you are ready, hit Next, review the policy, and then click Deploy Policy. Augmentt will deploy the conditional access policy in report-only mode, but you can change this to enabled when you are ready to enforce the new conditional access policy.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.